As the most trusted vehicle supplier and exporter, we provide a wide range of commercial vehicles for sale. We are able to offer one-stop service from vehicle procurement, sales to vehicle operation, driver service, and after-sales market. Hot sell to Central Asia, South America, and Europe markets. These trucks are our stocks and some orders from our customers. If you need HOWO trucks, such as dump trucks, tractor trucks, cargo truck, tank trucks, light trucks, special trucks, just please feel free to contact us.